I got to share this quick story because it was fantastic. Yesterday, I was teaching. All right, we were teaching. I think it was reading, and I had this student that was right next to me. So I'm in the middle of my lesson, and I'm going for it. Right, making connections. The students are on fire. They're getting it. Everything is flowing. And then the student who sits next to me, she stops and she sneezes. Now, I'm used to distractions happening in class. I teach fourth grade. There's always going to be distractions. But she sneezes in a way that I have never heard anyone sneeze before in my life. It was like a triple sneeze in one sneeze. Like, it was hilarious. I completely lose it. I lose my train of thought. My focus is broken. I stop and I'm looking at her. And do you know when you just want to crack up laughing, but you know you should not laugh, so you try to hold it in, but it just makes everything worse? That's exactly what happened. I'm staring at her. She's staring at me. And she can see my mouth start to twitch. And then it just breaks. I just let out this crazy loud laugh. Just and I'm rolling. I mean, bent over, and I'm laughing. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this could go really, really bad. Like, I'm scared to look up and see this girl because I'm laughing in her face, like at her crazy kind of sneeze. So I'm like, dang it, I gotta look up. And as I look up, I see the most amazing thing ever. She is head flipped back, rolling laughing, tears running down her face, and everyone around her is laughing. And I hear this like, it's like a guttural laugh, like from your soul. She's just laughing like I have never heard her laugh before. This student has always started the year being very, very reserved, very quiet, very shy and timid. And I had never heard that type of laugh come out of her. And when I hear her laugh like that, then I explode in laughter. And we're just laughing and crying together because it was so funny. All right, these are the things that happen in a fourth grade class. Like, I can't even explain why it was so funny. It was a sneeze. We've all heard crazy sneezes before, but it was the moment. It was the way it happened. And in that moment, I looked at her and she looked at me, tears running down our eyes, and we connected. And it reminds me of God, because in the Bible, it says that God, he takes delight in the details of our life. This was a sneeze that brought me so much joy and brought her so much joy. Imagine our lives. See, we tend to think that it's just the grand things that make God stop and make God smile at us. But sometimes it's just the small things that grabs his attention, and he's just like, that's my baby. That's my son. That's my daughter. I love that. That moment me and that student had was like a God moment, because God looks at us and he takes delight in the details of our lives, the big details, the small details, the details we think are insignificant or that others think are insignificant. God looks at it and he's like, that's my child. So I had to share that story again. It's like one of the highlights of this week, and it's been a tough week, but this is definitely one of the highlights. And every time I see her, I just, I look at her, she looks at me, and I'm just waiting for the next time she sneezes, because it brought us so much joy. So, that's it. I got to go pick these kids up from lunch. Almost